Hey guys, this is Rob from the B.I.G company, here to talk to you about our B.I.G Beard Balm. This is our executive spice scent. It's a classy, masculine scent that's perfect whether you're meeting with a client or maybe going on a date with your wife. It's going to leave you feeling sophisticated and confident. This balm is used to help sculpt your beard and gives a medium hold, depending on the thickness of your beard, of course. For me, I'm probably overdue for a trim, so I find it perfect for keeping everything in place without feeling like it's weighing my beard down. Now, a beard balm is different from a conditioner or an oil because it has a higher percentage of beeswax and shea butter, and that's to give your beard some hold. But because it's stiffer, when you go to get it out of the tin, you're going to use the back of your fingernail to scoop it out. Once you've got enough on there, you're going to put it in your palm and rub it like that, just to warm it up a little bit. Then what I like to do is I like to rub that onto my fingertips, and then I work that through my beard from the top down, smoothing, sculpting, and shaping as I go. And there you go, looking pretty good. Just like that. That's how it's done.